SeaMeDive Seawall inspection, Coral Gables, October 1st, 2020. Looking at a coral rock wall with a retaining wall built. Actually, it's a coral rock embankment with a concrete put in place retaining wall on top of the original embankment, and there's also a dock built with green hard pilings, all stainless steel hardware. The embankment is good. The retaining wall is in fairly good condition. Some hairline cracks, which is to be expected. Pilings need to be wrapped, and retaining walls on the upper side need to be addressed. There's some issues. I'm going to show the bottom part of the seawall. Looking at this dock, this is the water dock. The other one is part of an extension of the pool area. Same type of frame, 4 green hard piles. It was also constructed over an old concrete deck that was here and was kind of abandoned, and this was built on top of it. Overall, embankment condition is good. Retaining walls are in fair condition, and this property should be resilient as it's positioned pretty high, somewhere around 12 to 15 feet NAVD, in beautiful Coral Gables, Florida. This inspection was conducted by SeaMeDive.